This box is pretty heavy. This is I needed to get more hand soaps to replenish my hand soaps. So this is one of the orange clove scent soaps. I think this one's like, yeah, it's limited edition. It's for this time of year. So there's one. Here's another one. And there should be a third in here. It's a little soapy. Yep, that's the one. So there's 3 of those. The Acorn Spice Scent Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner removes dirt and freshens surfaces. I like how they put it in a Ziploc bag. And it says it's off, but it doesn't look like it's off. I don't know, it still leaks. But that's what this one is. It's the Acorn Spice, made with plant-derived cleaning ingredients, essential oils, made without parabens and phthalates, glycol solvents, and artificial colors. So I figured we get another one of these. This one is the Birchwood scent. I forget what it smells like. It's some kind of floral, but it's good. Birchwood scent. And then I have the Acorn Spice Soap. There's only one of these hand soaps. It smells delicious. And then I have the 3 apple cider scents. These are delicious. I love the apple one, which is more for like the summer or whenever, spring, summer. And then the apple spice, which is more like a fall, winter fragrance. It's got my nose got on here. So that's the apple cider one. It smells delicious. And then there are 2 more in here, which is the Radish scent, which to me is like for the kitchen. I mean, you could really use these anywhere. This one has aloe vera extract, glycerin, and olive oil, in addition to the other stuff mentioned before. Radish. So this is the compassion flower, and it actually smells really good. And then these are the little samples. I have peony scent and plumberry scent. These are probably good for traveling. It'll be cool to do, bring it to Disney. Then I got an order from Amazon. So because we're traveling, and I'm in the process of doing my packing and what I'm bringing with me in my carry-on bag or luggage suitcase. So when I went to Staples the other day, I saw they had games, and they had some travel games, mostly just like regular games. And I'm like, you know what? We're gonna be on the plane for a few hours. We both are like afraid of flying. Although I've done it before, he might have done it before, but I know I've done plenty of it, just not in a while. So like to make us feel more at ease and comfortable and to keep us busy, I bought from Amazon, and these were all like very affordable. I got 3 or 4 games, I think it's 3. So this is something that like my grandma usually likes to play, but this was a great idea, Boggle. And it's the travel version. It's for ages 8 and up. It says at least 1 player. What do you do, play by yourself? I never thought about that before. It's a travel version. It's pretty lightweight. A smaller version. It comes with the timer. Shake up the letters, flip the lid and timer, spot words fast. Outplay your friends in 90 seconds. So I guess the timer is only for 90 seconds. You have to pick as many words as you possibly can and write them down. Does this come with paper? I know usually it does. I might have to bring a notebook or something. That's a good idea to do too. But there's like cubes in here for the letters. I think Daniel would enjoy this. And then I got this, which is tiny. It's the smallest Scrabble game I have ever seen. And it says, again, ages 8 and up. It includes 1 case, 1 game board, 99 magnet tiles. And every letter counts. And it says, yes, it actually works. Scrabble crossword game from Hasbro. It's so cute. It says world's smallest. And you can look it up on superimpulse.com, Facebook, Twitter, which I don't have, and Instagram. This is just so stinking cute. And I'm excited. There's like instructions down here, but we pretty much know how to play Scrabble. This one's just a little different because I looked it up online. You like use the key, the thing, the game board. It opens up and there's like a little spot on one side for your letters, a little spot on the other side for their letters, and they're really tiny, really tiny. Hence why it's like the world's smallest. I thought that would be fun too. And this is just, yeah, I got 3 games. It's kind of big, but I could always take this out of the box and put it in like a Ziploc bag or something. Or, I don't know, a makeup bag or some kind of bag. So this is a little clunky. But I got a travel size Connect 4. And it comes with yellow chips and red chips, playing grid and with trays, 21 yellow counters, 21 red counters, a game guide. I mean, I know how to play. I don't like to read directions like this. Grab and go, adult assembly required. I mean, Daniel's an adult. I'm an adult. I think we'll be fine. And it says ages 6 and up, 2 players. So that's cool. Yeah, I probably will. I'm going to open this up. This is also from Hasbro. I'll leave links for you below for this. Like, I think these are just great games to have if you want something not so big, or you're traveling, or you have limited space. Whoa. So yeah. I love how these games too, like Connect 4, you can get like a giant size one, put on your lawn, or whatever for a party. Then you do, I think I'm missing something. This is why you need an adult. Right, so one goes there, if I can get it in. And then you got the little token things. Counters, they call them counters, I call them tokens. Chips, tokens, just don't eat them. Wow, this is complicated. So yeah, I'm gonna probably put this in a bag. So it's easier to carry instead of this big clunky box. I might do that, just like this. I might put them all into something. Now that I think about it, I don't know why I didn't buy anything. Like this, you kind of have to just keep together. This one's heavier. In order of like weight, this one's the heaviest, then this one, and then this is just very light. You could probably put this in your pocket. Your purse and carry it with you, like when you were waiting in line for something and just sitting around, that'd be kind of fun to play. So yeah, that's everything I got today. It's Amazon, and this is Meyers.